Hello guys, and this time we're gonna be working with the steering wheel. When we're moving the steering wheel, you can feel like a little bump. So we're trying to figure out if it's something damaged inside of the wheel, or it could be something else. It could be the linkage or something like that. So we don't know. To remove this is the same process to do the airbag, or it could be the same process to do the clock. It's something about clock. Is the one that reads the ABS. When you get the light ABS on, it could be the clock. I will show you. I think it's clock spring, something like that it's called. So the tools that you're gonna be using is a size 21 impact drill and a T40, which is like this. Okay, I recommend it to you that is long. You're gonna be over here. It will be the screw, which is in the same side, both sides. So I recommend it to you if you guys want to unplug the battery. I don't unplug it, but if you guys want to unplug the battery, you guys can do it. It's up to you guys if you guys feel comfortable. So you guys lose it. If you see that it's not coming out, you just have to lose it a little bit more on any side. It could be on each side. What's happening is this screw, you see, it has to be pushed out, pushed back. So over here, how you unplug this, how you unplug this, you just pull this over here to the back and then unplug this. It gets a slide out like this, and you lose it. And over here, the cable. If you guys have a flat head, it will be better. So that's how you remove it. Over here, you just lose this, and then you got these three and this wheel. One thing I need to tell you guys before you guys remove it, the wheels, it has to be aligned. We're not gonna align it because we already know, but it should be aligned on the front and aligned over here when you guys are putting it back. If you guys want to mark it, you guys can mark it. It's up to you guys. These three screws, you guys don't have to remove it. I thought you did, but you don't. It's only this one in the middle, and that's the clock spring that I was talking about. So we're trying to figure out if something is damaged somewhere over here. All right, so you guys are gonna need a Phillips. I went to the back and get it. So you guys are gonna lose this one, and the one in the bottom. If you guys move the handle, it will be easier for you. And now you guys are gonna remove the plastic. The top plastic doesn't come out because it got a rubber over here in the bottom. And then this one is a little bit hard because of the handle. That's how it come out. So to remove this, you got these cables over here in the back, and you got over here the clips. It's a couple clips over here, and you guys remove this back. Let me see if I can show you guys. All right, so these clips is one over here, another one over here, and you just lose these two clips. Switch it if you guys want to switch it and put it back in. Now if you guys want to switch the switchers over here, you got a screw over here in the middle, which is a Phillips, and one in the bottom too. I didn't see that one. And you just slide it back. So right now in this car, we're trying to figure out if these wheels bearings, they're good, because right now it's like hitting hard. So we're trying to figure out. So right now over here we don't got no problems with no play, but I'm thinking it could be that little machine over here, because you see the shaft goes all the way in. So I'm thinking it could be that, but if it's that, I'm not gonna replace that. It's gonna stay like that. Alright guys, so we figured out is the electrical rack and pinion box, or I don't know exactly how it's called. So I'm gonna have to find that on a junkyard or trying to find the use, because I bet you brand new is gonna cost a lot. So now we already made sure that it's online. Over here is a line. We're gonna remove the steering wheel and we're gonna be putting everything back. We're just gonna show you how to put everything back if you guys do replace the airbag or the clock spring, so you guys can see it, or the signal, turn signal switches. If you guys put in these screws, just be careful. Try not to use impact drills. If you guys do use them, trying to be, you know, softly with it, because it's plastic. It will break real easy. If you guys do replace this part, you guys it's a clip over here, a clip over here in the back and in the bottom, and you guys slide it out and switch it. But when you guys buying this one, make sure that it's the same one that you got, because if it's differently, it won't work. Usually this machine, when it goes damaged, it turns on the ABS light, which is that one right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's what it says, and you just clip it in how he did. Now put in the covers. Make sure when you guys clip it that is everything aligned in both sides, because if not, it's gonna be scraping with the steering wheel. And we're working with this with the car on. Steering wheel, make sure of that cable, it passes through the steering wheel, and when you guys put it, align it the most that you guys can do it, or if you guys mark it. There you go, that's pretty aligned, straight over there, straight over here. Now you guys plug in this white cable and put the nut that goes over here, which is a size 21. Impact drill, hammer it the most that you guys can. And now it's gonna be coming the airbag. Now you guys plug it first in the middle, slide this thing down and lock it right here. And now you guys flip it and put it back in. And now you guys screw it in, but at the same time that you guys screw it in, make sure that it's catching. Alright, so everything is put it back in. You see, it looks flush and everything. So hopefully you guys learned something on how to replace this couple parts on this. And in this car is gonna be something differently. I need to replace almost everything over here to get that little, I don't know if you guys can hear it, that little sound out. But that's another video. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.